Here's Potato Chat app. So here's the app, live chat application. It's climbing in the top charts recently. It's good because it's super fast, simple, and secure and free. So you can send a limited amount of messages, photos, videos, and files of any type. So this is unlimited amount and quite large files you can store here. Also, Potato groups have up to 200,000 members, and you can create channels to broadcast messages to an unlimited number of subscribers. We built Potato to make messaging speedy and safe again without usual caveats. So this is a fast app, this is secure. It has a big, large cloud storage. It has a lot of group chat and sharing, so it's also quite reliable. So yeah, this is the app, and you can just open it up, and it's kind of alternative to Telegram. It looks very similar to Telegram. Then you can see here groups, you can see here channels. You can also invite friends here, search for groups. Then there are chats. You can add your contact in the top right. Then secret chat, like, just very simple to use app. I like it, very clean design. But then there is a lot of cloud storage where you can store them here. Then there is your album, which you can share. Then there is your QR code. Then there is your account security. That's where you have it. Some privacy settings, chat settings. So yeah, that's just the idea of the app, and that's how it looks like. If you wanna, you can set up your username here. Oops, something is glitchy here. But yeah, that's the app. I mean, it's kind of similar to Telegram. And recently Telegram has a lot of issues, and some people kind of not trust Telegram anymore because of the issues of Pavel Durov. He was detained in France. So some people, because of some events, think that maybe there are some alternatives to Telegram. So these kind of apps are now surging in the charts, or I don't know why. Maybe they just did like some good TikTok ads. But yeah, there you have it. Try it out.